Some water, Zozo. Are you gonna hang out outside? Or do you wanna go inside? Huh? Do you wanna go inside? That is a no. Okay. You stay. You stay. I'm gonna go for a ride. Okay? Okay. Okay. Oh man, I'm gonna brush you when I get back. You'll need it. You'll need it. Jojo. You're such a good girl. Yeah. What is up, guys, and welcome back to another Moto vlog. I'm gonna hit the little pit bike track, the little warm-up, and then I'm off heading for a group ride, a morning group ride. We're all meeting up at McDonald's. I'm meeting Trent and whoever else he has with him, and we're gonna go cruise. Just gonna do a warm-up lap on the track, you know, get loose, get warmed up before the day starts. Oh god, a dragonfly just hit me in the face. Man, I need to come out here with a weed whacker and clear up these trails, or get some boys to come rip. Not gonna lie, I almost ate it right there. Oh yeah, we definitely need to clear this out. Let's do one more quick little lap. Whoa. Run me down. Bike's still warming up. Let's try this inner berm. Can I do it? Oh boy. Barely. I was bogging. Let's do the outer berm. Whoa! Slipped out there. Alright. Let's say our last goodbyes to Zoe. Bye, Zoe. I'll see you later. Have fun soaking up the sun. I'll brush you later. I know you're not happy I'm leaving you. Bye-bye. Well, alright. Heading off to McDonald's now to go get some breakfast and meet up with them and ride. Well, I'm just pulling up to the meeting spot. Gonna get some grub. Yeah. We got the boys. Gonna go tighten my chain. And then Shenanigans.
Yeah, those Harveys that my little brother's going to, dude. We gotta go to the next one.
Dude, I'd be down. It's a great thing with bikes to just chill and watch them do all the shenanigans. I've been looking at like 2008, 2012s, like around there. Oh, fuck the laws. Make a U-turn. Damn, my chain just popped from just giving it gas. It's getting damn near. Dude, right by us. That was just funny. He's like riding by us and boop. Like, fuck. Well, I'm gonna need gas later, so. Take a left. Damn, I didn't set up the mic to like pick you guys up. Fuck, I forgot about that. Looks like everyone's just listening to me. Oh, I thought he was gonna be too cool, but he waved. No, I figured out a lot of guys, as long as you're on two wheels, you're good. They appreciate the lifestyle. You're good. No, you're good. I was just kind of trying to pass you guys, but then I gave up. I spy something yellow that's blinking. He's like, oh. Oh, damn. This truck is on my ass. If I can. It's not acceptable. It's not allowed. I'm gonna come up on your left, Anthony. I think I can. Oh no, it's the Popo. Do some fifth gear wheelies. Yeah, yeah. It like bounces. Did you guys see that? I could like bounce it. Yeah, yeah. Soaring. Is that a thing? Like, do motorcyclists prefer you to stagger? Oh. Yeah, and then smack. I kind of fucked up. I should have went and got his bike and helped him work on it, because it only take like 3 days to do it, but his uncle went back to work, so like he supposedly can't go over there and do it and work on it himself unless his uncle's around or whatever. I don't know the whole spiel, but I mean, shit, he should have it done by now, I feel like. But I don't want to message him and be like, hey bud, and then get him even more upset, like, fuck, I don't have it done yet. I mean, I could slowly pass him on the right if I want to. We made it. Good old Hickville. So the last turn, taking a left berm, look to your right before the guardrail. Like, you know how you see the lake? Have you seen the big rooster on the left? So before you go into that turn, look at the front of the guardrail. Someone went in between the guardrail and the trees and shit. My buddy said that he came out here smoking like 3 o'clock in the morning this, like, over the weekend, and he said he saw them, like, towing him out. Must have been like a drunk driver or something. Oh my god, my chain. She loose. Trent's gone. Full spin! A whole 60 miles an hour. Follow that guy. Whoa. Taking a picture? Let's see how far I can go without crashing. Oh, not far. Oh! I want to be able to ride that whole thing. That'd be dope. And it scared him.
It scared me, like, I didn't know he was coming, and I thought it was like a train down the way, like...
My bike! I'm just gonna see you guys later. Oh my god! Oh.
Have you ever met Lane before? Dylan, Trent Lane?
Oh, yeah, I know Lane.
One time we were riding on his truck late, like drinking and shit, and fucking he just started driving down the railroad tracks on Radley Lake Road down there by the river.
No shit.
Started going down and his tires on the outside, dude. We started going ways down there,
Yeah, dude, fuck. If you're on it, how's he gonna get off? Oh shit, no way. Had to flip it around and shit. Alright. To my house so I can tighten my chain before the shenanigans. So, I'm back. She's not enthused. Alright, got my chain all tightened up and we are good to go. We ready to go cruise? Jojo, we gotta leave you again. Sorry, pups. We're gonna leave you again. You just sunbathe. Enjoy the day, okay? Okay. Yeah. Ah! Oh yeah. Oh, track run. Yee-haw. Huh? A bug hit me in the face and I was like, we ready? Yeah, buddy. Oh, I got grass and shit. I just went and did a track lap. The yak. What, me? Oh shit. Gotcha. Oh, this jackass. I wanted to. All these wood chips are gonna fall out on me. Yeah, I need a bigger bike so I can patch motherfuckers like that. Give it some of them ponies. Yeah, let's do it. Skrr. They like just redid all these pumps too. It's a badass jet ski. That'd be so fun right now. Oh, this is fun too. The stand-ups, yeah, buddy. Oh, you have it? Damn. Me and TJ have been talking about buying one, so hopefully one of us do soon so you can try them out. They're fun, except you gotta get one, like, I mean, they're fun no matter what, but if they're a 650 or bigger, they're more fun. We got this. I'm faster than a car, no way. Oh no, darn it. I think I can. She's running hard. that speed for nothing. I gotta try it all over again. It's all about that momentum with the bike. Are you behind a car? Oh, you are. How'd that happen? I was saying, let's fuck it. Let's go up north. I can take side roads. Alright, sounds good. Yeah, is it Cowie? Yeah. Maybe I go get a brand new bike. Fuck it. This is a cool store right here. Have you been to that Cowie store? That's where like Keith was buying his parts for his bike and stuff. I mean, I bought this one brand new and I liked it, but like a KLR, I think I might want to buy brand new. I don't know. We'll have to see the price of it brand new. Because I can go buy one like with like 15,000 miles for like 3 grand, maybe a little under. So like if they're selling theirs for like 10 grand, fuck no, but maybe like 6 grand, you know, 8 grand, you know, I might think about it then. You know, fuck, brand new bike, because that bike I'll take care of. When I get a, like that KLR or bigger bike, I'm gonna definitely baby it. But I don't know, man. I basically got 3 grand ready for a bike. I just wanted to sell my fucking Toyota.
They got used bikes there too.
When we have like nothing to do, we should cruise this road to the left because it's fun and windy by the airport. Well, this road right here. This. I'd be down to go hit some of that shit. So we're gonna kind of want to work our way over to the next lane. I mean, we still got a ways, so like, fuck it, we should pass these cars. I'm like that guy driving through Detroit. Follow me, let's go. Huzzah! Oh, dude, let's go eat some Mexican food. I need a beer. I need like some tacos. Green beans go, people. Oh, dude, I haven't had Jersey Mike's in a minute. Fuck. Now we're talking about food and shit. Dude, I'm so close to 3,000 miles, boys. I guess we could have stayed in the left lane. At 65 for real? No, sorry. I'm just fucking swerving. I was debating not getting back in that lane. We gotta turn right on Voorhees Road and it's coming up. It's on our right, so we're gonna have to get back over. It just was further down than I remembered. What are we're going to Magic's, right? Okay. Hell yeah. Gonna go pick me on a new bike. I'm just joking because I don't have a job. For real, dude. Dude, I didn't until I like started like, oh, I can get a new bike. Oh, but then I was like, wait, I don't have a job. Alright, can you guys get over in the right? That bump? Yeah. Yeah, this bike doesn't like to downshift very much. I do it, but it doesn't like it. It doesn't seem like. Yeah. Laundry mat. Smells like it. Oh, water. Have you ever been on this road at like 6 o'clock in the morning? It's like backed up all the way to like the turn back there. So they don't want people like taking the side streets and going and cutting. Even though that's what I do. And now I don't know where to go. We're on Dixie and we're heading south, I think. Can you hear me? I think we gotta go that way. Cole, in that place? Oh, I've been in this place before. Hell yeah. Yeah, we went the wrong. We gotta go the other way though. We're too far on 24. We'll just stop here first. That guy did not like me pulling out in front of him. I don't think they're open. They don't have anything. No.
Yeah, normally they got that all lit up.
It says face masks must be worn at all times. Masks are available at 1 per customer. Sorry for the inconvenience. Our showroom is temporarily closed to public. Current operation hours Tuesday through Friday. Oh, sorry. We can. Yeah. I want to still see if I can see, like, dude, like this. Look at this Cowie right here. This 800. This thing's pretty fucking dope. It's an 800. Isn't this your bike right here?
Yep. These are the models.
What are these? The same thing?
Yeah, that's the naked version, same exact motor.
Okay. Oh, what's that 900 back there? What the fuck? That thing's probably like 13 grand though.
Yeah, originally I was looking at the naked version that sounds like.
That's so much bigger than my bike, I feel like.
Yeah.
These are the 125 Pro Z's or whatever. Those things are still pretty cool.
Look at the customizations.
Oh, you can get like fucking, dude, that fucking Suzuki DRZ. Dude, I'd buy that Suzuki too. Fuck.
That whole section's
Oh.
You can't even really see it. That whole section.
Oh, that is. That's what I want.
See them all back there, all the way down. That's all you back there. There's different ones and shit. They got the Cowies and all that. You guys want to come take the track?
Are we? Would you be allowed to mess around out here? Do you think?
Probably not.
Dude, this rail. No wonder why they say don't skateboard. This is perfect. BMX and all that shit. That's it, dude. That aisle is my aisle.
I like the way they just put out an OLB sticker.
Yeah, that's what I want to do. Go up north and just. Well, I'm gonna go off the trail now. Such a weird.
Kind of like, if you look at this is kind of just that guy.
Should I jump it?
So funny.
I want to jump it straight on. Just try to clear the whole flat spot. Oh, it fucking hurts, man. Shenanigans. Oh, I am. Do you have Snapchat? Yeah. I just deleted my Snapchat. I need to fucking re-download it. Get her. Dude, that's so much fun. We can just chill here all day, guys. Ooh. I suck. Pressure. Do a wheelie. That was, I knew it from the get-go. That was gonna be a sender. Second gear wheelie. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Nice. Antonio ain't gonna do shit. Alright, let's skedaddle, boys. Yeah, more shenanigans. I have a SA face shield, so I'm good. Hey, are you guys opening up like Tuesday? Is this opening up Tuesday?
Not sure, are they closed right now?
Oh yeah, sorry. I thought you were a worker. Yeah, they're closed right now. Yeah. It says Tuesday. Yeah, so hopefully they're open Tuesday. Yeah, you too. He's just bored trying to kill some time. Yeah. You don't need no vape thing. Oh, I stalled. Yeah, we take this all the way down. Well, that was fun hitting the jump, you know. Oh, another Mexican restaurant. Oh, fuck. They might be open. Nope. Use front door. It's closed.
Is it?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna walk that.
Yeah. It's closed?
No, they have a mask.
Oh, mask rule.